Tonight, we're diving into a simple at-home method that doctors say can calm a pinched neck nerve faster than most people expect. If you've been battling sharp neck pain or tingling down your arm, this could change your day within minutes. A viral clinical report shows a specific movement sequence that safely opens the compressed nerve. Viewers who tried it say the relief feels almost instant, and today you'll see exactly how it works. Start by gently tilting your head toward the pain-free side while lowering your opposite shoulder. Hold for slow breaths. Then glide your chin forward and slightly down, creating space in the cervical joints. Add a light doorway stretch to relax tight chest muscles, pulling your neck out of alignment. These controlled steps reduce inflammation and release pressure without aggressive cracking or risky force. Try this routine once or twice a day and listen to your body. Relief often builds gradually, and consistency matters. If symptoms worsen, always consult a professional. Stay safe, stay mobile, and take charge of your neck health.